Alright, what is up YouTube, man? Back. We're gonna do a hair video. We're gonna just chill until I get some of the stuff I ordered come. But this video gonna be the how to make your dreads hang. Last time I did this video, it got 12,000 views. It was a couple months ago, but we're gonna bring it back, and it's a better in-depth version because as you can tell, my hair is hanging way more and it's way longer than what it used to be. So I'm gonna show you what I started out with and what's some best ways to. The way I started out was with a wave cap on my head, sleeping with a wave cap. Alright, it's kind of tight. I guess you can use a do-rag too, but I used a wave cap. Like, as you can see, my hair is laying straight now. Imagine sleeping with this on at nighttime. Your hair laying down. I got some more ways for you though, some better ways. I'm gonna show you what I use now also to have my hair like this. Another better way, a good duo, is the headband. Like this, straighten it up right. And then putting this on top. This is what I sleep with now. It's a bunny, but I'm gonna move up to the do-rag because even though this all black, it's just too girly. I don't know. So I'm gonna have to move up to a do-rag. But basically, you can put on a headband and then put on the bunny over it like this, and then you straight like put the bunny over your ears, because like if you do it like this, it's gonna mess these up and make them curl up. So I learned to put it over my ear and not above it. Alright, that's the third way. I mean the second way, I guess. Well, this is two ways, two things. I don't know. And then we got a rubber band, simple rubber band. Just do that. I mean, you at home, can't nobody see you. You straight. If you just got a rubber band, you just do this and you straight. And maybe put this on. But as of right now, all I sleep is with this on, right here. I do it at nighttime. Nobody can see me. I just. And in the room, can nobody see me? As soon as I wake up, take it off so I won't be gay no more. Because this is for girls, and I'm gonna have to upgrade to a do-rag. But let's get a thumbnail, and then I'm out. Alright,